Hi everyone, in this video I am going to explain the experiment number 5, views and subqueries. So here we have to create a view. So create a view, customer view, based on customer ID, customer name from the customer table. Change the heading of city displayed as customer city, display the contents of the customer view. So this is the query for the creating the view. Create view and the view name customer view as select customer ID, customer name, city, customer city from customer table. So this is the query and the view has been created. And the second query is select the view name and text from the user views data dictionary view. So we have to select the user views from the view. So select start from user views. This is the view. We are selecting the columns from the view. This is the query and this is the output for the query. And next query is using your customer view enter a query to display all customer names and customer city. So this is the command select customer ID, customer name, customer city from customer view. We are selecting these columns from this customer view. So this is the output for the query, and we have to create a view named CA view that contains the customer ID, customer names and customer address for all the customers in city CA. Display the structure and contents of this view, particular view. So create a view name as select the columns customer ID, customer name, customer address city from customers where state is equal to CA. So this will and also descending CA view. Select start from CA view. So this will give the customer ID, customer name, customer address values which state is CA. So this is the output for that query. And query is attempt to reassign Mary Smith to the city entry in the CA view. Is the view updatable? If yes, the updation reflected in the table based table. So we can update from this table. It is yes. So update CA views view name set city is equal to NT where customer name Henry Smith. Select start from CA view as we do normally. We updation like that we will do here same only. So this is the output for that query. And this query is create a view v1 to display the customer name, order ID and quantity, and create a v2 to display the order ID, order date and the date of delivery, and create a v3 for the customer name, order ID and order view. So we are creating three views. So create view v1 as select distinct which have customer name, order ID and order quantity. These are from different tables. So we are creating another view v2. Select a distinct. We are using distinct for the because we are using the different tables. For that we are using distinct. Order 1, order ID, order date and S date from order 1 and a supplier. And the same way we are creating a view 3. Select distinct customer name, order ID and order date from v1. So the output is so this is the output for the query. Sound query is display the latest 10 orders. So the query is select row num as number. So it will show the first 10 of the orders. So that we are using row num. It will show the first 10 numbers as number customer ID column shows like that. And select order ID, order date, customer ID from the order 1 and order B, order date descending where row num is less than equal to 8. So these are the latest 10 orders for the query. And the 8th query is list the 2 order ID and the least order quantity. Select row num as row no order as number, order ID, product ID, order quantity from select order ID, product ID, order quantity from order quantity, order by ordered quantity ascending. So it will show from starting 1 to like that where row num is less than 2. So it will show the first 2 orders, top 2 orders. So this is the output for the query. And the 9th query is find the IDs of customers who have order quantity of a cherry or red oaks finish. So this is the query. Select customer ID from order 1 where order ID in, and in we are using subquery, another query. Select order ID from order quantity where product ID is equal to any, and we are using another query to get the any. Select product ID from product where product material is called cherry or product material is called red oak. So it will show the IDs of the customers who have ordered this cherry or red oak. So the 10th query is find the IDs of the customers who have ordered the product table lamp. So this is the query. Select customer ID from the order 1 where order ID in. Select order ID from product quantity where product ID in. So we are selecting the product which names product ID from the product description table lamp. So it will show the IDs of the customers who ordered the table lamp. And the 11th query is find the details of the customer who have ordered for product ID 1000. So select star from customers where customer ID in. Select customer ID from customer order where the order in. Select order ID from the order quantity where product ID is equal to 1000. So it will show the details of the customer who have ordered the product ID is equal to 1000. So this is the output for the query. And the 12th query is find the suppliers whose total supply quantity is greater than some suppliers called S3. So select SID, supplier ID and supplier name, gender from supplier where order quantity is greater than any order quantity from supplier where SID is equal to S3. So this is the output for that query. And the query is 13th query is find the supplier with the highest rating using all. So select test name from suppliers where rating is equal to all. Select maximum rating from supplier. So these are the maximum supplier with the highest rating using all. So 14th query display all the products that are same as the product ID Henry Smith. So select the product description from product where product ID in. Select product ID from the order quantity where order ID in. Select order ID from the order 1 where customer ID in. Customer ID from customer where customer name is called to Henry Smith. So this is the output for the query. And the 15th query is display the supplier details whose supplied quantity is greater than the quantity of the order ID. Select S name, SID, S rating, supplier rating from supplier table where S product ID is equal to another subquery. Select OK product ID from order quantity where order ID is equal to 103 and order ID quantity is greater than order ID. So this will display supplier details whose supplier quantity is greater than the quantity of the order ID 103. So this is the output for the query. And the 16th query is display the order quantity of the order whose order date is greater than the order date of ID 106. So the query goes like this. Select order quantity from order quantity OQ where order ID is equal to any, and the subquery is order ID from the orders where order ID date greater than any. We are selecting another orders, the order date from the to compare the 106. So order ID from the order 2 where order ID is equal to 106. So it will compare the date from the order ID quantity and it will compare the order ID 106. So this is the output for the query. So thank you.